All right, this is a room tour of a junior suite on Utopia of the Seas, room 11242. As you can see, nice room. Quick overview. And let's just start real here quickly. Just to let you know where the room exactly is. 11242. First of all, our muster station is E4. Okay, and that was real easy. We got on, actually they brought us on the promenade, and right there, just walked right across over to guest services, and E4 was right there. And back here for the room, you can see you get off on the elevators here and just walk 4 or 5 rooms over right there. So it's a nice location. It's on the bump out, so you get a little bit bigger balcony. So it's really nice to be on the bump out. I'll show that to you later. And as you can see, we're right here kind of in the middle of the ship with that little red dot on the diagram there. When you come in the room on the right-hand side here, you will see the bathroom. And it's a very nice bathroom. Now, like in a grand suite, you would get 2 sinks. But this is a nice bathroom because one of the extra perks here of having a junior suite is you get an actual tub. A little step tub, step-in tub. It's really nice. And shower combination. So it's real nice. Now the shower head will go up and down, as you can see. And you do not need to, if you don't want to. You don't have to bring your shampoo and conditioners. We have the Salt and Breeze shampoo and conditioner, and body wash is in the back. But it's a nice room, nice area for you to put stuff away. Got some shelving in here for you to put things away. And you actually got a little bit more shelving down here in the bottom in case you got extra things you want to put away. I will mention also that when you come in or out of the bathroom, you do have a little lip. So there is a little lip here. And I'll get to the other side, especially if you're getting up in the middle of the night. And in the middle of the night, you see a little bit of lip here, so you don't trip over that. Okay. Now on the left-hand side, when you come in to the room, you'll have one of the great features I love of a junior suite, and that is a walk-in closet. It's nice, large. Lots of shelving, so you can really unpack here. Put all your stuff away. Don't think you have to live out of a suitcase. Lots of hangers, lots of space. It's a really nice feature of a junior suite if you happen to get a junior suite of this room. And then staying here on the left-hand side, we have all this shelving here. And you have your safe. Now let's look at the safe. It's not a huge safe, but it is big enough to put maybe a small iPad, size of my hand in here, and get your wallet or passport. You can put that stuff away. Of course, staying here on the left-hand side, you have more drawers. Now here on the top, you have the hair dryer. Looks like it's a nice hair dryer. You don't have to hold the button, so it looks nice. And then you have the Lavazza coffee machine. Now the Lavazza coffee machine has the little pods here that you can use. Little pods just go right into here. Whoops. And you have your coffee in the morning. They gave us a nice little schedule of all the shows. And hey, one of the cool things on our cruise that we're starting is we get to see the Price is Right game show. It's going to be at 3:30. We're all looking forward to that, to see something new. Little light switch right under here, and you got plenty of light when you want to get ready. Nice chair to sit there. Now coming over here on our other side, on the right-hand side of the room, you have the bed. This is the twin beds pushed together, so you can call it a king-size bed or whatever you want to call it. Lots of room. I do want to point out here on the light, on the lamp, if you can see here real quickly, they have the an outlet, and you have the USB-C right there. And the lamp is the exact same on the other side. So both of you, if there's two people here in this room and you want to charge up your phones while you're sleeping, you can do that both there on the lamps. And I did not point out, so I want to come back here and point out real quickly that here by the desk here where the mirror is at, you do have outlets here, and you do have just regular USB outlets right there, along with the European. So you do have a fair amount of outlets here. And going down here in the rest of the room, have our TV here on the left, have a really nice chair and ottoman right there here, a little small table, and you have this sofa here. Now I don't see any pull handles on the bottom here. I do not believe that this is a sleeper sofa. I can double check here real quick. Don't think that is a sleeper sofa, but it's a nice sofa. I like the decor in here in the room, nice and modern. And then I love having the junior suite a little bit wider, but you get an extra little window there. You can see, lets a lot of the light in, the natural light, makes the room look really nice. So let's go out to the balcony, because it is a really nice balcony. Again, this is a junior suite, 11242. Look at the size of this balcony. You got a lot of space over here. Now you don't have a lounger here. You just have the two chairs and a table. But it's plenty big enough to bring out your coffee in the morning and have your coffee and sit, or if you want to order room service and have your room service here. Just look at the size of this. It's very wide, very deep. Come over here to this side, and you can just see. Now, we are in Port Canaveral today, so it is a beautiful, beautiful day here in Port Canaveral to take off on this cruise with Utopia of the Seas. We are here on the port side. You can see you got the water view, lots of the things here at the port, and then you can look back over here and you can see a Disney ship there. You can see Kennedy Space Center. Don't think there's any launches today, but we have been here. Nice kind of thing about coming to Cape Canaveral, Port Canaveral, is sometimes you get to see a launch. And so again, this is a junior suite, 11242. Walk back in here just so you can see again kind of here. It's a beautiful room. Lots of space. You have lots of space where you can just empty out the suitcases and just enjoy yourself. And again, so one of the other things too is that we are in a junior suite on Utopia of the Seas. And one of the things that you do have a perk with this room is that you can have dinner at the Coastal Kitchen. So after we came on, we went up to the Coastal Kitchen. Even though we don't have a grand suite, one of the perks is that you can go in a junior suite. You can go up and see if they have availability for you to have dinner. Now, you can't have breakfast or lunch, but you can go up to see if they have availability for you to have dinner. And we were able to make reservations for each night for us to have dinner up at the Coastal Kitchen. And it's a beautiful place to have dinner. It's a beautiful views. The atmosphere is really nice up there. You don't have to. It's a perk that if you'd like to do it, you can. And We'll try to post some pictures later of the food up there and some pictures of the coastal kitchen. It is up on the 17th floor. So this is a junior suite, 11242, again on the Utopia of the Seas.